Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for systems like the automatic headlight leveling, rear seat heater, smart key and multiplex communication, power outlets, power seats, moonroof, air conditioning, and pre-collision safety. Engine compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018, the engine compartment fuse box contains high-amp fuses that guard major systems such as the electric cooling fan, AC heater, alternator charging, ABS stability control, starter, power steering, horn, and fuel injection circuits. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.